Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook elk backstrap. Begin by carefully trimming all silver skin and any unwanted fat from the meat. Pat the backstrap completely dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step for achieving that perfect crust. Then, season it generously on all sides with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your preferred blend of herbs and spices. Don't be shy with the seasoning for maximum flavor. Now, let's achieve that incredible sear. Place a heavy cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, allowing it to get very hot, almost to the point of lightly smoking. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, swirling to coat the pan. Carefully place the seasoned backstrap into the hot oil, searing it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a beautiful, deep, golden brown crust. Once beautifully seared, transfer your backstrap, still in the oven-safe skillet, to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert a reliable meat thermometer into the thickest part of the cut, ensuring it doesn't touch any bone. Continue roasting for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches your preferred doneness, such as 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. This gentle heat will finish cooking it evenly. The resting phase is absolutely critical for juicy results. Remove the backstrap from the oven when its internal temperature is 5 degrees below your final target. Transfer it to a clean cutting board, tent it loosely with aluminum foil, and let it rest undisturbed for a full 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing them from escaping when you slice. Finally, cut against the grain into beautiful half-inch thick medallions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.